Hello everyone, and welcome to a new year of the TCC Report. I'm Elton Gumble. There's an old saying that great things come in pairs. Examples are all around us, as symbolic as two people in a marriage, as simple as 2 socks, 2 shoes, 2 gloves, as beneficial as 2 years to get an amazing associate's degree from Tallahassee Community College, and as significant as 2 institutions of higher learning coming together to sign a 2+2 education agreement. Here's more on the groundbreaking plan that's sure to help aspiring teachers get to their future classrooms seamlessly and with a bachelor's degree.
More than 900 alumni have gone through the doors of this campus, TCC and Flagler, and pursued a career as educators. Nearly 60 of them have gone on to be Teachers of the Year.
With success rates like that, it's clear that the new TCC to Flagler 2+2 initiative is the sum of a great partnership between the 2 institutions of higher learning.
We've had a long relationship with Flagler on our campus. And over the years, it occurred to me that we should develop a relationship targeted to them. This is one that's just not done. It's a public 2-year college partnering with a private 4-year institution for a targeted pathway. Specifically, when you take a look at the success of Flagler's graduates in elementary education, there are so many years I look at in the newspaper and I see that the Teacher of the Year is a Flagler graduate. We know that 85 to 90% of Flagler students come from TCC, and so I have been asking our folks for years now to develop this targeted pathway, first of a kind in the state of Florida.
The boots on the ground here at TCC and Flagler, they've been talking about trying to get a partnership, a 2+2 arrangement for the students here at TCC and Flagler for about a year. And it finally came to fruition thanks to a lot of hard work by both staffs and a lot of give and take. And I'm really excited about the opportunity we're going to have for students here.
The 2+2 initiative is the ideal equation for students looking to graduate from TCC with an associate's degree and have all their hard work transfer over to a degree from Flagler also in just 2 years.
The partnership between Tallahassee Community College and Flagler College has built a seamless pathway into the elementary education program, which is going to create a pipeline of teachers that we desperately need right here in the state of Florida. Anything we can do to make this transition more seamless and easier and more affordable for future teacher candidates is something that we're excited about.
It's an opportunity for us to help students who might have an interest in becoming teachers get on that path, stay on that path, and become the kinds of teachers that we want in our classrooms with our kids.
It's an impressive learning curve. The TCC to Flagler partnership will get students into the elementary education workforce faster and more affordably without compromising quality.
By being able to eliminate an extra year of student learning or student debt accumulation or being able to enter the workforce a year sooner is a big deal for future candidates, and it's a program I would have benefited from about 25 years ago, and to see people being able to benefit from that today is exciting.
I think every teacher is going to benefit from this that comes through this program, which means, more importantly, our students in K-12 are going to benefit from their expertise.
What we're proud of, frankly, is the extent to which our students leave us, do well either in upper division work or go directly to work. It's what we do. I mean, we don't just help students get in the front door of the college, we help them get out the back door of the college and move on either to further their education or get a job. So this is just a perfect fit, and it's an extension of the great work we do every day.
Now, doing the math, the 2+2 at TCC and Flagler will soon equal 4-year success in the teaching world for generations to come. Incredible new initiative there. But let's move now from my math skills to actual math champions. Did you know TCC has math champions walking around the campus? Now, the goal for these math champs isn't about big trophies and confetti, but about being a champion for improving the math skills in their fellow students. Tallahassee Community College is a winner on the basketball courts as well as the baseball and softball diamonds. But the sport of choice for the newest champs on campus is math. You heard right, math champions walk the grounds of TCC each day, excelling in the classroom and participating in a peer-to-peer tutoring program.
Math is about building those blocks, and if you don't have that foundation, it's going to fall apart. So if I need to go back in time with that person, I will, and I will help them build that foundation so they can do what they're currently doing in whatever math class they're in.
once you tutor the students, they come to you struggling, you help them out, and you just see that glow on their face, it's all worth it. I didn't think I could do it. Actually, my math teacher, he kind of hinted at me. He's like, hey, Deyon, I got that math form that you've been asking for. In my mind, I'm like, I haven't been asking for any math form. So I took it and I went home and thought about it. I'm like, well, he's giving me this math form. He's thinking that I can do it, signed up for it and got it. And ever since then, it's like I've had this pride of being a math champion, a math tutor, and it's definitely helped me in my classes.
We looked at the quantitative data and looked at success rates. We saw immediately an impact, especially in developmental math classes, that students who were in classes with math champions had higher success rates and retention rates than students without the math champions.
The calculations for the Math Champions program began at TCC in 2017, and they've added more impact with each semester since.
We saw a 10-point increase in success rates. So we thought that we were on to something. We continue to see that same success in the fall of 2017, and to this date, we continue to see an improvement where we've had math champions embedded into courses with faculty members where they're able to provide in-class support and out-of-class support for the students that are in those classes. We've continued to see a 10-point and sometimes even a 20-point increase in the average success rates. Why I think the peer mentoring program works so well is students don't want to go a lot of times to their teacher's office for help. You can get help and you can get it from your peer. I think that empowers them to think, well, if this person is a student just like myself and they can teach me something, I could probably learn this also.
Right now, the math champions are placed into the classes of full-time faculty. And so now we're looking at scaling up and allowing those students to go into adjunct faculty classes because we've seen success with it, and the data is undeniable. The vision is to have math champions in all the math classes.
That's all the time we have today. Remember, if you know of a great story you think the TCC community would enjoy, don't keep it to yourself. Just send us a friendly email. And remember, for all things Tallahassee Community College, check out our website or social media pages. I'm Elton Gumbel. See you again next time on the TCC Report.